Another Tesla tips video. Today we're looking at the Blackout Kit from Proleep for my Tesla Model 3. It's a 2021 version, so it has the wood in the doors. A bit fed up of it now. I had the car for 2 and a bit years, so I fancy a change of the aesthetic. It looks good in the pictures, so ordered it from China. Came in about a week, double box, which is quite good. So just open it up and have a look. It survived well in a post, which is always a worry with cosmetic pieces. So yeah, it's well wrapped up, foam and plastic coated. You can see it's 3M branded tape on the back. Whether it's 3M or not is another thing, but that's what it's branded as. So it's quite a nice finish. It's a matte black, and it's kind of almost rubbery, so it's almost soft to the touch. So it's got nice coating. No blemishes, looks well finished, good quality. Just checking the other one, make sure there's no marks. No, all looks good. No problems there. Yeah, lovely soft feel. And then a dashboard cover. Bit awkward in one hand. So it is out of the bag. Yeah, it looks good. Again, same matte black, soft feel, matches the door covers as you'd expect. Plenty of tape on the back. This one's like a white plastic underneath it. Quite hard. Yeah, looks good though. Yeah, perfect condition. So as you can see, the wooden trim on my car. Just get the dust off. So let's try it. Got to get the right one, obviously. So initially, yeah, it looks good. So that's it, stuck on. The only issue is, could be, you can still see very, very slight bit of wood either end. If you really look closely, it could probably be, if it was just 1 millimeter longer, you wouldn't see the wood at all. But obviously from this distance, from a foot or two, you can't see it, but it's only if you go right in close. That's the other side. Same again, just about to see a bit of wood there. On the same end. Now this end not so bad, because when the door's closed you can't see it, but that's a bit of a shame that. So that's the dashboard fitted. That was perfect, no problems with that at all. You can't see any wood anywhere. It's a lovely fit. Absolutely perfect. Really nice. So that's it fitted. Looks good. The doors are closed. As you see from this distance, you can't see those little bits of wood on the door. The dashboard's fine. Lovely matte black. Yeah, nice for a change. Not bad for just over £100 delivered. A lot cheaper than having an Alcantara version. And obviously you can peel this off and put it back to wood if you don't like it. Please consider using my Tesla referral code. Thank you.